Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we will try to lift this bad boy and we will try to inspect what is going on under. Okay, at last I have opened the gate. The weather is much better now, so we can check from the front. I can show you. So this front axle is broken, and that is why the wheel is not spinning, and it will be really hard for me to go under this car because I'm really tall, like 192 centimeters height, or in USA standards 6'3", and almost 260 pounds of weight. So it will be really hard for me to squeeze under this car, but I will try, of course. Let's try to remove the front wheel, and we will carry on from this point. Okay, I just noticed I found some screws inside the car, and it's probably, yeah, it's only two screws here, so someone already took this tire off. Probably it's because that broken axle, or how it called correctly. Sorry for my mistakes, I'm rookie in this field. So yeah, so let's unscrew bolts, let's remove the tire, and we will see what we go next from here. I have my big gun. It will be really interesting. I haven't used it yet, so let's find which head should I use for this screw. $24. Let's try to use this one. No, 21 is too big. Okay, should work. Okay, let's go. Probably this head is too big. Okay, screws out. Let's see. Tire is out. Okay, first remove tire in my life. Really interesting and funny. Okay, what we have here. Braking pads look good. Discs probably looks good. Maybe worn a bit, but we will figure out about it later. So the main issue is here. Here, I think this one should be replaced too. Okay, this one is gone. How this called, guys? Write down in the comment. This side looks like have only two screws too. It goes really faster when you attach correct head to the tool. Okay, let's take it out. Okay, here how it should look like. First of all, I have decided that I need to remove the pieces which were left after the accident of the cover, and I will see the damage much better without them. Here I am trying to release the bumper because it's really broken from the driver's side, so only several screws. Sorry for the angle of the camera, I'm still getting used to it, and in the future it should be better and better. I have unscrewed 5 bolts, and now I need to pull up the bumper up from those 3 pins. After I have unscrewed half of the bumper, I have decided that I want to unscrew the headlight and remove it. Still the camera angle's really bad, sorry for that again. Before I continue with the headlight, I need to remove the cover to get access to the headlight bottom screws. Releasing a couple of screws from the bottom part of the bumper, and continue working on the covers to get access as much as possible. Okay, before I will continue to work on the bumper and the right wing and the headlight, I found one issue. This car has S rank, so it's structural damage car, and I was wondering what's the structural damage, and I thought maybe this part has structural damage. However, my neighbor came, who is a bit involved in engineering and so on, and we discussed a bit, and we saw this issue here, this one. So it's a bit bended, and I will need to work on it. Of course, Probably I won't be able to work on myself. So first of all, what I need to do is to fix all the suspension here. So I need probably to switch everything to make this car run or even roll, and then I need this car to go in a body shop, and then people will fix it and take a look on all geometry what this car has, and I hope everything rest is aligned and I won't have any issues. I don't know why I'm trying to remove the back cover because I thought I need to remove the wing, but it was really an unnecessary action from my side, which took me a really long time. And fighting here with the first screw, and it's really hard because you need to unpin the metal part, and then the square shaped screw you need to unscrew that. And the second one, it's almost released. The metal part was already removed. So for both screws, it took me about 3 hours. So it was really painful, for sure. After the big challenge with the bottom screws of the headlight, I'm trying to pull the headlight to remove it. However, it feels like stuck for me, and I'm trying to pull it harder and harder. And for the final pull, it goes with all the bumper. And now in one hand the headlight and the bumper is hanging on my knees. Trying to place the headlights somehow more comfortably to see what is connected, and checking how can I disconnect any wires which is left or stuff like that, because if I am not holding it, it's starting to fall. From this angle it's visible how several times the headlight is trying to fall down, and I'm catching it because the headlight washer pipe is connected to the bumper, so I'm trying to release it. And yeah, the heart is really beating because one headlight costs used 1,000 euros, so it's really a substantial amount, and I didn't want to buy 2 headlights instead of 1. After several tries, I have disconnected all the pipes and the wires which is going on the headlight and the bumper. And from that I started to strip the bumper, what is left, all grills, pipes, cables, sensors. Okay, it looks like day is coming to the end. I have managed to remove the front bumper somehow. The headlight, which I was struggled with because on the bottom part it had special clips to prevent the robbery, so it was really hard. However, yeah, the car looks nice. So a lot of leaves. And the next step, probably I will start to dismantle and remove the suspension. It will be much harder, I think. So yeah, have a nice evening.